Hello students, today we are going to start question number 2 of exercise 4.4 and this is A part. The teachers, we have to solve some equations and first of all we are to set up an equations. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? That means we are to consider the lowest score first and then we can find out the highest marks. Okay, let the lowest score, we will consider the lowest score. Let lowest score be L. Then what he says, teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student, जो highest marks है क्लास में वो कितने हैं, ट्वाइस द लोएस्ट मार्क्स का ट्वाइस किया एंड प्लस 7, उसमें 7 प्लस किया and that will be equal to highest score and also highest score is given to be 87. what is the lowest score? यही हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लोएस्ट स्कोर हमारे पास L कंसिडर किए हमने. देन द हाईएस्ट स्कोर बी, what will be the highest score? twice of lowest, twice of L, lowest score का twice plus 7 and also the highest score is equal to 87 or this is also a highest score. So now we will solve this equation by solving 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. We have to solve this equation and then we will find out the value of variable L here. How to solve this? By transposing 7 on left hand side. 7 will be negative because in right hand side it is positive. So 2L is equal to 87 minus 7. 2L is equal to 80. Okay, now we are to eliminate 2, we are to remove 2 from here also. So 2 is multiplied with L and take 2 on right hand side. While taking it right hand side, transposing it in right hand side, it will be divided 80 divided by 2, it will be division, so 40. So L is equal to 40 and what we have considered L is the lowest score. Lowest score is 40. Okay, and highest score is 87 that we have given in this question. Now coming to B part. In and I, we have solved these statements already in 4.1 first exercise. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree and what are the base angles of the triangle? We have to remember that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so first of all, what is an isosceles triangle? क्या होता है? If in a triangle two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle and this is called vertex angle. Vertex angle is 40 degree here and these are called base angles. So I am considering this, we are not given any of the base angles, I am considering this x. So let vertex angle is vertex angle is given 40 degree and base angles are dx x degree. Okay, so we are given that why I have taken x, both the angles x, because in isosceles triangle both the sides are equal, these sides are equal and their opposite angles are also equal. That means both these angles are also equal. So this is also x, this is also x and this is 40 degree. And we know very well angle sum property of a triangle is sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 40 degree plus x, I am adding all the angles of a triangle, plus x is equal to 180 degree. So because we are using angle sum property, here. Now adding 40, x plus x is equal to 2x here, 180 degree. Now transposing 40 on left and right hand side, 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 40, because in right hand side it is positive, so while transposing right and left hand side it will be negative. Now 2x is equal to 140 degree. Okay, now x is equal to 140 degree divided by 2, so 2 7 ja 40, x is equal to 70 degree. So base angles are 70 degree each. Okay,